Hi, this is Ashley from the South Houston Library. I wanted to show you how to access our free database Learning Express to learn how to use the computer, the internet, and other Microsoft Office software tools like PowerPoint and Excel, just like we do in class. These are free, but in order to have an account, you will need a Harris County Public Library card. So the first thing you're going to do is you go to hcpl.net. So HCPL, just like Harris County Public Library.net. And this is the website I'm in now. And then you click on Explore. And now you can go to Research and Learn. And then on the left-hand side, you can filter so we can find it easier. And so under Subjects, we're going to click Computers. And this is Learning Express, the second one, and I'm going to click Go to Resource. And as you can see here on the Learning Express website, there's different tabs. So depending on your level and what you'd like to learn, you can click on Get Started with your computer. So this is like if you've never used it, you're not used to the computer, you want to get started, or even if you want to learn more. I noticed that there is, new things to learn even if you're used to using the computer. The next tab is called Getting Started with the Internet, and it helps you discover the internet, how to use your email, social media tools, internet safety. The next one is called Popular Software Tools. This is where you can learn how to use Excel, PowerPoint, Access, and I would suggest doing the most recent one. So a lot of these have 2016. Also, Microsoft Office, you can learn how to use that. OneDrive is where you can store different files and pictures using your Outlook account. And you can also learn computer graphics and illustration. So Adobe Illustrator and Adobe Photoshop. And the last tab is understanding your operating system, and unfortunately it only has Windows, so you can learn how to use more about Windows 10. So I'm going to click on Popular Software Tools because I know at the South Houston Library these are pretty popular classes. So I'm going to click on Microsoft Excel 2016. And when you click on it, you'll notice that they have different levels. So they have Microsoft Excel 2016 Basic, Intermediate, and Advanced. So you can start wherever you'd like. And you'll notice here that it tells you the time it'll take. And so when I've done these courses, they are pretty long and pretty detailed. So I would definitely suggest taking breaks in between. The basic one is 4 hours and 26 minutes. The intermediate one is 3 hours and 52 minutes. The advanced is 6 hours and 6 minutes. So I'm going to click on Microsoft Excel Basic 2016 and sign in or register. So if you already have an account with Learning Express, because Learning Express also has other centers like for GED courses, you can go ahead and log in. If you don't have an account, this is your first time using Learning Express, you're going to click on register. And if you have a Harris County Public Library card, you'll click on that one. I guess it doesn't give you any other options. And then you write your name, your first name, your last name, your email, your password, and register. I guess I can try to use a different email and register to show you guys what it looks like. So the password requires 8 characters with no spaces. Then I clicked on register. And so then you can go ahead and start tutorial. And this, it'll start, you can click play and she's going to go through different Excel things to do. And if you're curious as to what you will be learning, you can click on table of contents and it'll show you exactly what you would be covering in each video. And like I said, it is kind of long, but you can learn a lot from it. And I really enjoy this free database. So thank you for watching, and I hope that you find this useful.